Member of official Baby Grinch Baby Elephant Peace Alabama Crimson Tide shirt the Senate. Member of the Home of Representatives. Delegate from the District of Columbia. Or resident commissioner. At any. Official Baby Grinch Baby Elephant Peace Alabama Crimson Tide shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Tank top. Do you official Baby Grinch Baby Elephant Peace Alabama Crimson Tide shirts assume it'll be identical for these individuals if Trump loses? Being a Trump. Other product.